Hey Al.
We're going to take this, we're going to give them a run.
Yep.
But we're going to belt the way down there. We're just going to put it across here, around this bit,
Yeah.
and around there, up there, and along that bit of fence there, and down there, because they can't jump quite. If I put it down there, they kind of got to run on their jump, do you see what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
So I'm going to give them a bit more space. Then we're also going to see if we can get Prop Joe to trim her the wing. Got off the feathers off. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. Phoebes, why are you annoyed? Is it because the chickens are on your deck and you can't get out? Come on then, Phoebes, out you go. Come on, Phoebes. Come on, out you go. Out you go. Hey Al, I'm going to show you Phoebe floating down the river because the current's quite strong. So there goes the stick. Come on, Phoebes. Come on, Phoebes. Oh, this is why you should never work with animals. Hold on. Another stick for her. Phoebe! Phoebe! Phoebe's coming this way. Phoebe! Phoebe! Up here. Phoebe! Phoebe! Get in the river, Phoebe. Phoebes. Go on, Phoebes. Okay. Not going quite to plan. Phoebe. Phoebe. Get in the river. Get in there. Phoebe. Phoebes. Watch this now. She floats down the river because of the current. No, not going to happen. Oh well. Oh, she's struggling to get out. Okay, see you later. Here she is, battling against the current. Good girl, Phoebes. Well done, Phoebes. Come here, Phoebes.